This week we're talking about Rube Goldberg machines.
We're going to have a ton of fun with simple machines.
A Rube Goldberg machine, named after the American cartoonist Rube Goldberg, is a machine that's designed to perform a really simple task in a really complicated way. Usually this means the action of one object triggers a chain reaction that causes the ultimate goal to be accomplished. I have a tough time waking up in the morning, so I usually like to set 2 alarms for myself. Here's why.
We might still be going with this. It's not about us. Or do you want us to be quiet?
Now let's see this guy in action.
Our Rube Goldberg machine uses all 6 classic examples of simple machines. A plane is simply a slanted surface. It takes a vertical force, like gravity, and adds a horizontal component. A lever is a beam attached to a fulcrum that turns a small force over a large distance into a large force over a small distance. The lever is closely related to the wheel and axle, in which 2 concentric circles turn big forces at the center to large displacements at the outside, and vice versa. A wedge is a pointed object in which a small force spread out over a large area is turned into a big force over a small area. This is how the blade of a knife works. A screw is a particularly interesting machine. It turns a transverse rotational force into a longitudinal translational force. Common examples of the screw include caps on bottles and propellers on boats and planes. Finally, a pulley is a rotating object that changes the directions of the forces in a rope or cable. The idea of a simple machine plays a huge role in our daily lives in the form of electronics. Like a Rube Goldberg machine, almost every electronic device you use is built from a small list of simple parts like the transistor, capacitor, resistor, inductor, and battery. By putting these simple parts together, you can perform complex tasks like recording a video or sending text messages.
You guys should try to make a Rube Goldberg machine at home. You can make an everyday task even harder than it needs to be.
Come join us on Wednesday on Zoom and we can talk more about how bikes are simple machines.
See you then.
See you then.